Well, hello, Lex Robin. How are you? I hear you watch my videos a lot, and I want to thank you for it. Feel free to leave a comment whenever you want to. I promise I'll be looking for you, and I will respond. Your mom hit me on Instagram and asked me if I could do a personal opening for you. And of course, I agreed to it. Your mom really loves you a lot. And you're the next generation of Pokemon trainers who will take it all the way to the Elite Four and become champion. I appreciate you. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you, and thank your mom too. Alice, it's for you.
Price, big bands for that height, right? Love everything I write. Haters say that I'm too bright. Pink covered in frostbite. Excalibur, sword knight. Bruce.
My name's Alexander Leviathan. Welcome to the den, and thank you for being a part of my Indigo Plateau. I am your Pokemon World Champion. And since you came back for more, I will give you 4 more. Evolving skies, chilling rain, rebel clash, and vivid voltage. We will start off the way we always start off, with evolving skies. Let's go! Go kart. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. 4 more Rays for me to grab. There are 4 more Rays to grab. The journey will never end. Let's go. Metal Energy, Shopping Center, Herder, Pyroar, Slackoff, Emolga, Glossifer, Love Disc, Fletchling, Lucky Ice Pop for the reverse and for the finale. I will unify with the Pokemon Intercontinental Champion of the World, Savin Brass. Pinsir Rare Non-Holo. We move to Chilling Rain. Let's go! Let's see what we get out of Chilling Rain. There's still so much in Chilling Rain I need to pull. Go-kart. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Fighting Energy. Scroll of the Skies. Curlia. Ball Crystal. Larvesta. Mareep. Heracross. Clobbopus. Grookey. Celio for the reverse and for the finale of Pack 2. Mwah! Galarian Weezing. He's a troll. I don't like it. Pack 3. Rebel Clash. Let us go. Go-kart. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see what we get. Psychic Energy, Hatnery, Cursed Shuffle, Phalanx, Bunable, Bunnelby, there we are. Phantom, Drapey, Farfetch, Galarian Style, Hone Edge, Tempo for the reverse and for the finale of Pack 3. Mwah. Woo! Corsola, Galarian Style. It's a holo, and that's a hit. That gets the tie, seal of approval. And thanks to our sponsor in every single video, Corvxnite. Corvxnite. If it's not triple sleeved, it's not protected. On his recommendation, I got these 360 perfect fit. Dragon sleeve. Dragon shield sleeves. There we go. First hit of the evening. But guess what? We have one more. Vivid voltage. Let's go. Let's see if we can get something else today. Cold card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go. Aromatic Energy, Garvantula, Swallow, Woobat, Talia, Charmander, Looper, Meowth, Galarian Style, and Hitmontop for the reverse and for the finale of my pack opening endeavor today is Woo! Reggie Rock Holo. Yes! Holos are always welcome on my Indigo Plateau. They get sleeved up just like all the Ultra Rares. Put them in there. There you go, Reggie. Welcome to your new home, and I hope that you like it. And you've reached the end of my pack-breaking endeavor. My name is Alexander Leviathan. I am your Pokemon World Champion. And I hope to see you again tomorrow for more. Where I break 4 more. Play the track.
Wayne in them dark nights, being sending I must smite. Burn hot flame all white, cause it's lit. Stands know it's ahead. Razor sharp wit,